Here's the best investment loan that you have never heard about that gives you money based off of the investment itself and not your financial history. Today we're talking about DSCR loans. So I know sometimes loans can be confusing, so we'll make it easy. So this is an investment loan. So it's for a house that you want to rent on a short-term basis, or just a house you want to make money off of, okay? So in a regular way you buy a house, the conventional loan, they look at your personal history. They really see how much money you made the last couple of years. They look at you. And that's if you want a primary residence. So let's just say for primary residence, they look at you. For this loan, they look at the house itself, the investment. So they're not going to look at your personal financial history. They're going to take a look at the home and see if it makes a certain amount of money. And if it does, they'll give you the loan. So it's easier than a conventional loan because it doesn't look into your past history. It still looks at your credit, but it might be it's usually they're a little more lenient on the credit. You don't need a perfect score in order to get a loan. From what I've been through, it's either a 620, a 630, or above. So this loan is for the house, the investment, the business. So if you can prove that the house makes at least the loan payment per month, then they will usually approve this. So some of them actually look for if you can make the loan payment plus 20%. Because the reason why you're doing this is to make money, right? Not just to have a house and pay off a loan. So you can go on some of these apps they have. One of them is called AirDNA. You can put the address of a residence into a home and it'll estimate how much it'll make for Airbnbs and short-term rentals. So that's a good way to look at a home and estimate it and see if that's the one for you. So out here in Utah, there is a lot of outdoor activities. There's a lot of family fun things, a lot of things bringing people in for short term. Usually we see a lot of these in Park City and in Salt Lake. And these have different zoning areas, okay? You can't just buy any house and turn it into a short-term rental. You have to abide by the local zoning laws. So what you do is you look at the local zoning in the area that you want to buy a house in for this short-term rental. Make sure it's in the correct zoning law, number one. Number two, make sure that it is making at least 1.25 times the debt. So however much money you're looking for. And number three, because this loan is for the investment and it's not a personal loan, they're going to charge a little more for the down payment. Usually the down payment is 20%. So the down payment will be higher, around 20%, and the interest rate will be higher. But you will not have any debt go into your personal name. So if you do want to get a conventional loan to get a house for yourself, this isn't going to add on to your debt and affect you getting that loan, because remember, this is for the business. The loan is for the investment. So that's what they look for. So you can have multiple DSCR loans like this and have multiple properties. And a lot of people do that once they get going and know what they're doing. So I just wanted to come out with this video because I heard about this loan not too long ago that I've never heard about before, and it's perfect for these type of short-term rentals. And everybody that wants to start a short-term rental but doesn't, most of the time what's holding them back is the loan, the conventional loan, the debt. If I want to do this, blah, 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 then I'll have to. So this kind of takes all that stuff out because it's on the investment, remember. DSCR loan is for the house. Primary loans, conventional loans for primary residence are for you. So that's the beauty of it. And I hope that you guys watch this video and that it at least is a little something for you. Maybe you learned something or two. If there's anything that I left out that you wanted to learn about, or if you have questions on anything, just comment or hit me up on my phone number will be posted here. I'll put my email here. So we will go through this together. Now, there's also a certain type of licensing you need that we can also walk you through. I may make another video about that. I may make a short. If a lot of people ask me about it, then yeah, I'll make a full video about it. So comment down below, like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys thought this was helpful or not. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one.